One of the things that people ask me a lot is, how do we know that you're the right attorney for us? Or how do I know that I'm hiring the right divorce attorney? The truth is, I've made a booklet to help people make that decision. And I'm just going to read some of the questions here so that you can get an idea on what you should be thinking about when you hire a divorce attorney. So first of all, does the lawyer's practice focus exclusively on family law? You don't want a Hebrew komponet or a jack of all trades when you're doing divorce. I mean, that's a big no-no. Was the lawyer attentive when you were speaking with them? Because if they weren't attentive when you were speaking with them initially, believe me, they won't be attentive when you need more attention later on in the middle of your case. Does the lawyer return your initial consultation fee in the event that you retain it, right? Our business as lawyers isn't to make money off of consultation fees. It's to represent people and be retained. And if your attorney is not going to refund or return the initial consultation fee, then I don't know if that's something that you want to do. Does the lawyer have an office policy ensuring the timely return of phone calls? The number one biggest complaint about attorneys is that they don't get back to their clients. Is the lawyer selective in accepting cases, right? You don't want someone who's going to take everybody. You want someone who has fewer but select clients, because they're probably going to dedicate more time to your case and do a better job on it. Is your personality compatible with your attorney's personality? I think this is a really important one, that you have to be able to talk to them, to listen to them, etc. Does the lawyer treat you with compassion and empathy? Because if they're not treating you with compassion and empathy, believe me, sooner or later, you're not going to be happy with them. Is the lawyer willing to attempt to negotiate a settlement on your matter? A lot of lawyers say, hey, we're just going to go to war. Is that the type of lawyer that you want? Or would you rather someone who will try to reach an agreement first? Does your lawyer educate you and answer your questions, right? Because part of what you're hiring is someone to be like a madrich, a leader, a coach. And in that case, you want them to educate you and to answer your questions. Does your lawyer underscore that your child's best interests are your number one priorities? A lot of times you'll meet attorneys that say, hey, money, 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 money. That's what we're concerned about. Right? If that's what is most important to you, that's fine. But if your children's best interests are more important to you, you should be looking at that. Is your lawyer able to utilize the latest technology, especially today when all of the things that we do in family law are submitted online, either to the court or to the family court or to the Beit Din Rabbanit, or even in our elder law practices to the general guardians. If your attorney can't use technology, you're going to be at a disadvantage at some time. Does your attorney speak your language and understand the mentality and culture that you're coming from? This is one of the things that people most often misjudge how important it is. Okay, because if your attorney really gets you, then it's going to be much, much easier for him or her to represent you and get the things that you want. So just some questions that I think everyone should be asking before they decide whether or not to hire a divorce attorney. Have a great day.